What make which bird have two legs, two wings, two arms, and can fly? It is a flamingo. I'm asking you something, and you say a flamingo. Of course, teacher. Of course, teacher. It is a flamingo. Are you sure of that? If I come there to come and flog you, are in trouble. I'm coming now. Which bird have two legs, two arms, two wings, and can fly? A flamingo. It is not a flamingo. I'm telling you, it is not a flamingo. It is not a flamingo. If I ask you one more time, I will tell you the answer. Which bird have two legs, two arms, two wings, and can fly? A flamingo. A flamingo. Which bird have two legs, two wings, two arms, and can fly? Let me tell you the answer. There is no bird that has two legs, two arms, two wings, and can fly. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Yes, teacher. I will remember that and tell it to all my friends. Good boy. Bye-bye. I hope you enjoy our